Some people in life are happy just barely getting by, letting their so-called destiny manifest itself.
They sit in traffic every day, miserable, but unwilling to do anything about it.
Other people have enough motivation to ask their boss for that big promotion, or to go back to college and get a degree.
They follow the path that society has given them to follow, but they still feel empty inside.
But some people are driven by something else that they can't control. The need to hustle.
That's a feeling that you can try to avoid your whole life, but you can only push it away for so long.
Success is God, and hustle is a religion. And religion is like a disease. Once you get infected with it, there is no cure.
But success soon becomes all that consumes what you think.
That shit that you did with church shoes, that shit was amazing.
It's good to look back on the success of the past and past hustles. It's good motivation to help keep you moving forward. But you have to be careful. Careful not to focus and only live in the past, because it can become stagnant and hold you back.
The rap game needs you. Years ago, you put the mic down when the people called you Websters.
Shit. When you became Websters. And you just came natural Mac for that. In a large vocabulary.
Hard with the metaphors, I would say that. Battle rap, I would
saw him
say.
on the streets, he won. Yeah, in the most hood streets in America.
This is a new city, full of new things and new possibilities.
Rebel music.
This is a new team, an evil team.
Yo! Vámonos, muchachos, vámonos! Let's go! Yo, it's time. Time to hustle, dog.
The people got a new name for you now, and the streets are beckoning. It's time for you to pick up that microphone as the big dog.
Born in Indiana and I handle my biz. You ain't know? Max, tell him who the fuck that I is. He's a hustle dog, hustle, he's a hustle dog. He hustles dog, hustle, he's a hustle dog. A hustle dog, hustle, he's a hustle dog. He hustles dog, hustle, he's a hustle dog. A hustle dog, hustle, he's a hustle dog. He hustles dog, hustle, he's a hustle dog. A hustle dog, hustle, he's a hustle dog. hustle, dog. Fetch that paper, stress that paper. Act like the cash is a cat and catch that paper. Money hungry, like they ain't fed me in a week.
Bye, big dog. Have fun with MexMode, most evil rap crew in Travis County.